Have you seen some experiences of people that you helped or families that you helped that come to church, or maybe thank you cards or something like that?
We have. We've had folks visit the church. We've had lots of cards, different things that have come in, postings on Facebook. We're on Facebook. You type in Project Smokescreen, you can find us on Facebook. We've got a lot of our feedback comes from the Facebook group, so that's been a real blessing to us. But yeah, we hear back from a lot of folks very often, and it's always special to hear, just exactly what that meant to them.
Wonderful. And this program's going to be on Facebook and YouTube and outreaching out to the internets. And we're just so thankful that we can get the word out about this project.
We're glad to have that opportunity too. It's a true blessing to us. We've been praying over the last several months. Lord, just put us in positions where we can minister to somebody. Bring people to us, put people in front of us, if it's in the supermarket or wherever. And it wasn't long after we started that prayer that your call came in, Jonathan. And so, the Lord, when you ask, the Lord will provide. So here you go, buddy. Get on the radio.
And I'm so thankful for that too, brother, because, the Bible also says that no weapon formed against us shall prosper. And we will get this word out. And that's wonderful because, like I said before, sometimes obstacles come in our way, little problems or little gadgets messing up, but we can fix it and go ahead and get the word out to people.
Right. And in our walks as Christians, you're right, there are obstacles, there's going to be walls, and there's going to be mountains to climb. But, I would encourage the listeners, keep your focus on the big picture.
Mm-hmm.
Keep your focus on outreach and ministry, and keep your eyes on the Lord, because the help is on its way.
Right. Even more churches in here in our area, they could come together as one and say, hey, let's help each other. Let's network with each other. What can our church do?
Absolutely. We'd love to have a church that maybe has a food ministry or a food pantry that, if you would like to provide a card, into the kits that we could give out. Because a lot of times these families are displaced. They may be staying in a shelter or a hotel. So even, getting a free meal, a warm meal, coming to your food ministry could be something that you might want to provide. That would be something we would love to have. But any way that your church or your organization would like to get involved, we can truly move you in the right direction to do those things. And it would be such a blessing, I feel, to you as well.
Wonderful. Once again, let's give out the physical address. Let's give out the email address and the phone numbers.
All right. Well, you can mail to us at Eastside Church of God, Attention Project Smokescreen. That's at P.O. Box 232, Corbin, Kentucky, 40702. You can call at 606-344-4743, and then email at projectsmokescreen@hotmail.com. And then, of course, we do have our Facebook group. If you type in Project Smokescreen, you'll find us that way.
We've got 2 minutes left in the program. We're so thankful for you guys, so thankful for the work you're doing, the love that you're showing to people, and it comes from the inside. A lot of people can give you lip service and say, yeah, sure, I love you, but when you put some action to that, man, you're really taking the love to people's front doorstep.
Right, and it is. It's truly, children are the heart of our ministry, and we've been in ministry for children for over 10 years now, which is a drop in the bucket, but for us it's been such a blessing to us, and we hope that we can continue and grow this ministry, and we pray for the other organizations. If you don't want to get involved with our organization, we certainly understand, but there's so many local organizations out there here in our community that are doing so many things. The tornadoes at East Bernstad, one of the things that many of us that were involved in that, continue to champion is that our community didn't have to wait on FEMA. We didn't have to wait on federal assistance. Laurel Countyans were there to help their neighbors immediately.
Well, I tell you, I'm so thankful for this program. Thankful for your church. Where exactly is your church located? Maybe somebody would like to come and visit.
We're on South Highway 25, right behind the Vendors Mall in Corbin. You can't miss us. If you'd like to come, we'd love to have you again. We have services on Sunday mornings, 10 o'clock for Sunday school, 11 for worship services. Then we have our evening services at 6. And then Wednesday night we have our 7 p.m. services.
Pastor Brother Randall Lee and church welcome all. And once again, we want to say thank you, Mr. Brandon Hensley and Jessica. Thank you for being on our program. And just keep up this great work, and God be all the glory.
Thank you, Jonathan. God bless.
So until next week, this has been the Local and Community Issues and Answers right here on WVTN.